Let's draw a frequency polygon from a histogram. These are the observations given to you, where the first column is the class interval starting from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and so on. Then in the second column, we have frequency data. We have plotted this data out here in a histogram where the observations are on x-axis and the frequencies are on y-axis. In order to draw frequency polygon, we need to first find the class marks. Class marks we calculate by using the class intervals or the observation column. The formula for class mark is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Here the upper limit is 20, lower limit is 10, and if you sum these two and divide by 2, you would get 15. In the next row, the upper limit is 30 and the lower limit is 20. Sum these two, you would get 50. Divided by 2, you would get 25. We would name this column as class mark column. Next, we have to draw the class mark versus frequency on the same chart. Here if you see, this point, which is the average of upper and lower limit, is 15. This point is 25, this point is 35, and this point would be 45. That means all these points are class marks. And if you take it to the center of this rectangular box or rectangular bar on the top, you would get the center points. So assume that you are drawing the chart based on the class marks and the frequencies. And if you try to join these midpoints, you would get a line chart. But this line chart is not a frequency polygon. Rather, we somewhere need to connect it on the horizontal axis. So here we have connected it with the horizontal axis. You would get a observation value on the horizontal axis, and this would be 5, and out here it would be 65. That means we need to make a record 0 to 10. The frequency is 0 while the class mark is 5. And at the end, we can say the range or the class interval is 60 to 70. Frequency is 0 while the class marks are 65. So now overall we have drawn a frequency polygon using